Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV, and today we're gonna do a small unboxing. And this is something that I don't really plan of getting, and I was convinced by my friend here in YouTube. Her name is Chanel LV. She bought this and she saw this available online, and she told me that it's available. This is a very rare item, so I thought maybe it could work for me, and it is so cute. That's why I got it. And this is called cat earphone case. And let's open it. So this is the box. So as soon as I purchased it online, it became unavailable right away, and it is still unavailable right now. And we'll open it and we'll find out what it looks like. And okay, so this is the dust bag. It is so small, guys, so small. And this is it. It is so cute. So if you will see, it's so tiny. It is so cute. So this is what it looks like up close, and let's try to measure it too. It's like 2 inches also. Oh, actually it's 2 3/4 by 2, and the width is 1. Just a cute little earphone case which can be used as a bag charm as well. And it has this cute ear, the eyes and the nose, and inside is felt like lining which has this depth. It's just so small. And I have here my AirPods. I don't think this is the new one, but let's try if it will fit well in here. So it fits my AirPod, and it will look like this. So I am always forgetting to bring my AirPod. That's why it prompted me to buy this, because it might come in handy if I'm wearing my purses, and I'll just put this outside or just let it hang. Like for example, with this Palm Springs Mini, if I'll hang it in here, it matches it very well since it has a black color here and with a monogram, and it will look like this. And when you open it, you just have to hold it. Oh, it's actually closing it now. It's already open, so it will hang like this. The only thing that I'm a little worried about if it will flip as much, but the back part also has a nice finish to it, so I don't think it will be a big deal. But so I brought in my Nano Speedy, and currently this balloon charm is hanging. And let's compare the size with this cat earphone charm. Looks like this. So my balloon charm is even taller, just a little bit, and the width side by side. So let's try putting it here, and let's find out. It looks like this. So I'm not sure if it will keep on flipping. I know, like it just, let's see if it will flip. So it does flip. So if you are the kind of person who doesn't like this earphone case to turn on its back, then maybe you will not like this. But for me, I'm not sure. I really like the look of it, but if it flips, maybe I'll just turn it back in front. It is just so cute, guys. This is cuter in person than in the picture in the website. and it is just, I'll put the price on the description down below. So the price is a little bit similar to some of the bag charms, and maybe a little more expensive or a little cheaper than the other bag charms. It depends on what bag charms you are going to get, but this is more functional as you can fit your AirPods inside. And this is what it looks like with this Speedy Nano. And if it's worn crossbody, it will look like this. It is just so cute and so unique for a bag charm if you're gonna use it as a bag charm. And it is also whimsical and so playful and a conversation starter, I guess, if you are a Louis Vuitton lover. And also, if you will put this here in my Neverfull. So I also have another balloon charm in Damier Ibin, and it will look like this with the Neverfull. Like this, guys. So if you put it on your side, it's just like a little cutie hanging, and then you can grab your AirPod easily. An earphone, you can also put it here and just put the connector here outside the hole, so you can use it to connect your phones. I have here my earphone. Try to put it in here, so we'll just remove this for now, and then we'll try to fit my earphone in here. So I remove the AirPod, and let's just and you can also make it longer if you want to. So the idea is it will look like this, but I will use this for my AirPod, which I'm so excited about as it has a good fit to it. And then let's try if I can put I cannot put my lipstick, a hand sanitizer from Body and Body, it won't fit as well. So it's really small and so cute. And I have this bag charm. It has a smaller lobster clasp to it, and it looks like this side by side. Let me know what you think of this, guys, if you think it's worth it, or if you are eyeing on one. And if you are, just refresh the website, as you might find it available, or contact your SA so they can find one for you. And this is such a cute little charm or AirPod case or whatever. You can use this for other stuff as well, and it is just so cute and so different, so unique, and it would look nice on any of your crossbody purses. And thank you guys for watching, and may all of you have a wonderful day, and please stay tuned for the bud shots. Till next time, bye!